Hi inJoypreneurs! We're back sa ating inJoy Christmas Special Recipe Ideas. For this recipe, talagang Pinoy na Pinoy at Paskong Pasko ang Monggo Ice Candy recipe na to. Kaya wag na tayo magpaligay-ligay pa. Let's start! We will use our buko milkshake. Of course, one of our best sellers sa ating milkshake range. And we will also use our sweetened red bean. We have here our popsicle container to achieve ang nakakamiss na Monggo Ice Candy. But of course, pwede kayo gumamit ng ice candy plastic para maibenta at kumita ng extra. Instant kita ngayong palapit na ng papalapit ang Kapaskuhan. For our ice candy mixture, just mix 1 kilo or 1 pack of inJoy Buko Milkshake into your 5 liters of water and mix well until fully incorporated. Let's add 1 tablespoon or your desired amount of sweetened red bean in your popsicle container and pour your buko milkshake mixture. Ang inJoy red bean ay exclusively imported from Japan kaya talagang authentic at pang-sosyal ang taste nito. Freeze for 4 hours or overnight. Creamy and delicious Monggo Ice Candy na pasok sa budget at perfect ngayong Christmas season. Nagkakahalaga lang ito ng 279 pesos at pwede niyong ibenta ng 10 to 12 pesos. Syempre, depende pa rin sa size. Perfect dessert at home at pwede pa gawing negosyo kahit nasa bahay ka lang. That's it! See you on our next Christmas recipe ideas using inJoy products, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching! Bye!